Today's mission is to find the best waterfalls here at Cuyahoga Valley. I'm Laura, and in early 2020, I quit my job to travel the world. Since I can't hop country to country, I'm taking a closer look at some of the great places we have in the United States. Hit subscribe to join me on my big adventure, where this week I'm in Cuyahoga Valley enjoying the fall colors in Ohio's National Park. Today's mission is to find the best waterfalls here at Cuyahoga Valley. First on the list is Blue Hen Falls. Someday I will learn my lesson and just always bring my trekking poles. Instead, walking uphill, very light pack, hopefully getting away from the traffic soon. So if you're headed to Blue Hen Falls, it is a 1.5 mile hike. Definitely get my heart rate going first thing here. Just like at the ledges last night, the trees are changing and it is absolutely gorgeous. Made it to Blue Hen Falls. There's just enough water to really see the waterfall. I think because there's less water, it's easier to see those little waterfalls. So it is pretty neat. It's also really cool to see the fall leaves in the river. Okay, I was able to check out the waterfalls without falling. I'm gonna take that as a win. It's 0.7 miles back to the car, and then I'm over to Brandywine Falls. The Blue Hen Trail is listed as moderate. The trail is marked with blue blazes, excellent for the Blue Hen Trail. You can see them on trail. You can follow them as you follow the trail. Okay, I've made it over to Brandywine Falls. It was about a 10-minute drive from the Boston Mills Visitor Center. I headed to see Brandywine Falls, but also do the Gorge Trail. It was recommended by a local and a ranger, so on our way. Made it to the upper deck of Brandywine Falls, checking out the top of it now and then likely going lower. Brandywine Falls certainly had more water than Blue Hen Falls, but it also had more people. You noticed that the walkway was planked, which was really nice. Also, quite a few stairs to get down to the falls, but you could see it from up above without taking any stairs. Now it's time to check out the Gorge Trail. It's amazing to think that the falls is only about a half-mile upstream. This looks like such a calm little river, especially this time of year. I've seen videos of it where it looks like Niagara Falls, and today it was like someone just had the faucet on a little. So I imagine that these riverbanks are pretty high in the spring or in the summer after a good rainfall. This is a nice hike. Ohio is my home state, so all of this seems really normal to me. oak trees, maples. No risk of big animals. I love it. To finish the Gorge Trail, I'm going to take this bike path. It's on the map, but it looks a little creepy. On second thought, I think the bike path is closed. Finished up the gorge hike. It was so pretty. I'm happy I took that bike path back just to make it a little shorter. It ended up being a warmer day than I expected. It's October, but it definitely got over 70, which is warm when you're hiking. One of the things I was most excited about when I looked at places to eat in the area was how many good ice cream shops they have. So it's time for ice cream. I did it for the gram. It never ceases to amaze me what happens when you get outside and travel. And just when I thought I should leave because nothing new would happen, I turned the corner to see people watering their horses in the river. Such a pretty sight. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll help me bring you along on my next adventure.